Hello friends, welcome back. Whether you are a front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, data scientist or a machine learning engineer, it doesn't matter whatever your position is. At some capacity, you might be using Git. So in this short video, we will discuss about 6 basic commands related to Git branches. So the first command is Git branch, which will display all the branches in your local repository. See here, we have 3 branches: dev, master, test. The star indicates here is the current working branch. Now the next command is creating a new branch. For creating a new branch, we just have to give the new branch name. I will give QA as a new branch name here. The new branch has been created. For the verification, you can say git branch. You will get to see the new branch on the top here. That's about creating the new branch. Now let's say you want to delete the branch. For deleting the branch, we have to say git branch -d and the branch name. Run this one. So it will delete the branch. If you notice here, we used -d. So the lowercase d is a safe mode. Safe mode means if you have any uncommitted changes, it will not delete that branch. Okay, but if you want to forcefully delete that branch, then we will have to use capital D. So remember that, please use capital D only when you want to forcefully delete the branch. Otherwise, do not use capital D. That's your command number 4. Now let's move on to the next, that is 5th command, that is renaming the branch. So for renaming the branch, we have to use git branch, the branch name that we want to rename, and I want to rename the branch dev. We have to give -m, and after that the new branch name. I will simply say this. See here, the branch got renamed. If you want to verify it, you can simply say git branch, and there is optional, you can see list also. So without list also it will work, but if you give, that will also fine. See here, the branch got renamed dev_new. Perfect, right? So if you want to try it one more time, you can do that git branch dev new -m and dev. That's got renamed. For verification, we can do one more time. See here, we got the dev back. That's about the command number 5, renaming the branch. And final one is, if you want to list down all the branches from your remote repository, that means it might be somewhere on your GitHub or Gitbucket or somewhere else, right? So if you want to list down all the branches from the remote repository, you simply say -a. See here, we get to see all the remote branches. That's about these 6 basic commands of git branch. If you have any questions related to GitHub or Git, please ask me in the comment section below. And if you want to know more about Git, please check out their documentation. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.